Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a trade recap for you from the NQ today. So before I take any trade, I start with key levels. And today we had two daily highs from November 20 and November 17th. These levels are like magnets. Everyone watch them. Breakout traders jump in, buy stops get triggered, and I'm just sitting there like, all right, market, show me who's actually stronger. If all that buying pressure still can't push the price up, then big players are probably sitting on the other side with sell limits. And that's when I'm start thinking, hmm, short time. So first we hit the November 20 high and honestly nothing convincing. No clean sign, no real signal. And look, I don't force trades. If the market isn't clear, I just chill. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Then we hit the November 17 high and things got interesting. Candles got smaller, momentum slowed, and boom, a short signal showed up. Finally, something worth my attention. My entry came on the next 1 minute candle based on my order flow and volume analysis. If you're only using candlesticks, no problem. You can use the indicator from my course or simply wait for the first bearish candle. And don't worry, in the future videos, I show you exactly how I use order flow. Today, you'll get just a sneak peek. After the first move away from the level, we got a nice little pullback. Perfect spot for my second entry. I went short again. Two entries, two micros each. Risk management, guys. Boring topic, but super important. If you want a deeper dive, drop in the comments and I make a video on it. Now, here's the MNQ view from Atas. This is what I looked before taking the second trade. 50% pullback, absorption, delta switch, and a close below the candle POC. Don't worry if that sounds complicated, I'll break all of this down in future videos. No key level, no trade. It's that simple. Key levels massively boost your win rate, so use them. If you want more theory videos, I can release plenty. But if you're impatient and want to learn everything right away, my course has 30 videos covering key levels, prop challenge, PA account theory, payout strategies, basically everything you need to become consistent. All right, guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next recap.